Zhana Londoner. I am the owner and operator of Mercado Central NYC. We are the only Spanish specialty food store in Brooklyn, New York, in Carroll Gardens. This event was so exciting and so fabulous for me to see people who genuinely fulfill the philosophy of our store, which is sobremesa. Sobremesa is a Spanish term that refers to the time during and after a wonderful meal when you're having that extra glass, you're having another bite, you're sharing, and you're deeply connecting with the company you're with. And this event really promoted that. I couldn't be happier. As a native New Yorker who has owned a home in Catalonia, in Barcelona, for the last 8 years, the connection between New York City and specifically Barcelona has been obviously very close to my heart. Getting to meet one of the most amazing pastry chefs. And having her walk us through this class. Ursula was just truly fantastic. And turron, which we sell tons of, again, both to our Spanish clientele who know it, but getting that education is very much part of what we provide at Mercado Central. We have a lot of educated clientele, and we also have people who are really interested in getting further educated. The story tells what the product is, and then when you share that product, that around the sobremesa, around the table, is truly part of the experience. So this has prolonged and it really justifies the philosophy of our store of sobremesa. I couldn't be happier to be here. Thank you guys for letting me join.